Did you know that TikTok users spend an average of 52 minutes a day scrolling through videos? That's enough time to make money, if you know how. Here's the thing, TikTok isn't just for dancing and funny skits anymore. It's a goldmine waiting for you to cash in. If you're not using it to earn, you're leaving money on the table. If you're ready to learn how to make money on TikTok, this video is for you. Today, I'll share 7 beginner-friendly strategies that can help you turn TikTok into a steady income stream. Stick around until the end, because the last strategy could change the way you think about earning online forever. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. Next week, we'll dive into more creative ways to boost your income and take your finances to the next level. Don't miss it. Alright, let's get into it. Pay attention, this is your roadmap to TikTok success. First, TikTok Creator Fund. Let's start with TikTok's very own money-making feature, the Creator Fund. Once you hit 10,000 followers, 100,000 video views in 30 days, and meet TikTok's other criteria, you can apply to start earning from your content. The more engaging your videos are, the more views and money you can generate. Pro tip: post consistently to increase your chances of going viral. TikTok's algorithm loves regular engaging content. Short, punchy videos with trending music work wonders here. Second, sponsored content. This is where things get exciting. Brands love working with influencers who can get their message across in creative and authentic ways. Once you build a solid follower base, you can start landing sponsorships. Here's how. Reach out to brands you love or use platforms like AspireQ or Upfluence to connect with companies looking for TikTok creators. Focus on creating high-quality videos that show off the product naturally. Pro tip: always choose sponsorships that align with your niche. If your TikTok is about fitness, promoting gaming products might confuse your audience. Authenticity matters. Third, sell your own products. Why promote someone else's product when you can sell your own? TikTok makes it easy to showcase items in your videos. Whether it's handmade jewelry, art, or a product you sourced, use TikTok to build excitement around your store. Here's how. Create videos showing how your product works or sharing behind-the-scenes footage. Use a TikTok bio link to send viewers directly to your online store. Pro tip: combine this with TikTok ads for even greater reach. Even a small budget can lead to significant sales if your video connects with the right audience. Fourth, live gifts. Ever seen creators get sent digital gifts during their TikTok lives? Those gifts translate into real money. Once you have 1,000 followers, you can go online and accept gifts from your audience. The more engaging and entertaining your live sessions are, the more gifts you'll receive. Pro tip: plan your lives around trending topics or do Quanda sessions related to your niche. People love interactive, valuable content. Fifth, affiliate marketing. This strategy is a no-brainer. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank, and share product links in your bio or through TikTok videos. When someone buys a product through your link, you earn a commission. Here's the trick. Create videos that showcase the product in use. For example, if you're promoting a kitchen gadget, make a short, fun recipe video using the product. This makes the promotion less salesy and more authentic. Pro tip: focus on high-value items to maximize your commissions. Promoting a $200 gadget will bring in more income than a $10 trinket. Sixth, sell TikTok account management services. If you're great at growing your own TikTok, why not help others? Small businesses, entrepreneurs, and even influencers are looking for people to manage their accounts. You can charge for creating videos, managing comments, or even running TikTok ad campaigns. Here's how to start. Reach out to local businesses or offer your services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Show examples of your own TikTok success to build credibility. Pro tip: package your services as a monthly plan for recurring income. For example, 10 videos plus full account management could be a great starter offer. Seventh, focus on niche expertise. Now for the game changer strategy: pick a niche and own it. Whether it's fitness, cooking, or tech reviews, having a clear focus makes you stand out. Why? Because people trust creators who specialize in one area. For example, instead of posting random content, create a series like 5-minute healthy recipes or top gadgets under $50. This builds authority and keeps followers coming back for more. And when you gain trust, monetizing becomes so much easier, through sponsorships, products, or even ebooks. Pro tip: don't just follow trends, adapt them to fit your niche. For instance, if a trending dance fits with your cooking tips, mix the two for a unique twist. Making money on TikTok isn't rocket science, but it does require consistency and creativity. Now that you know the strategies, it's time to take action. Start small, experiment with different methods, and find what works best for you. Now that you know how to make money on TikTok, check out our suggested video for more wealth-building strategies. Watch it before it vanishes forever. Which of these strategies will you try first? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for weekly tips to boost your income and achieve your goals. See you next time.